fast-growing economies of the world, including India, is facing a huge shortfall of housing units. The present scenario, in which there is a shortage of skilled labour and labour cost has increased exorbitantly, mechanization plays an important role. The supply of capital is short and interest rate in construction sector is one of the highest in the world. Hence, it becomes extremely important to choose the right service partner. Here, MFS Aluminium Formwork System becomes significant. With all the modern amenities, we speed up the construction and availability of housing units. Have you planned to start the project? We come to your aid as Formwork Associate. MFS Aluminium Formwork Systems Private Limited, Faridabad, with experienced technical and designing team of dedicated professionals, is always on toes. We make sure that your project goes on track smoothly. Since our inception, we have been associated with mega projects across the country. With our state-of-the-art manufacturing unit and the corporate office at Faridabad, NCR, we are always attentive to hear you and solve your queries. With technology at par, keeping in mind all the developments in design, we always suggest our clients the best. We feel the project into our nerves and turn it to reality of high standards. It begins with a meticulous simulation and scrutiny of the structure. The customized software developed in-house helps in the process. Viewing a 3D model of the entire unit along with components ensures accuracy and precision, leaving no chance of any overlaps or clashes. The flawless manufacturing drawing and a soft mock-up of the entire project is done with the assistance of MFS Specific Advanced Software. We ensure accuracy along with savings in money and resources, and most importantly, time. Installation and dismantling sequence of MFS Aluminium Formwork System. Receipt of material and process of installation. Receipt and checking of material. The pallets are unloaded at designated area upon arrival. MFS team of technical staff brief the client representative about the materials as per the packing list, also going through the drawing pattern. After verification, the material is sorted out unit-wise and shifted to the exact location. Installation of wall panels. The structure line is drawn based on the approved shell plan, on which vertical reinforcement is installed. Optimum quantity of oil-based releasing agent is then applied to the panels before installation. This prevents concrete from sticking on the panels. Then the installation of wall panels begins from one side of the wall with wall ties. After the completion of one side setup, the other side installation is done with PVC sleeves. Wall panels are installed as shown here. Installation of panels for opening areas. Installation of panels for opening areas commences post-installation of all panels. After the setup of upstand, panels of window area are installed in following sequence: sill packing cover, LS, wall closing panel, SL, beam bottom panel, prop, and finally beam side panel. Kicker is installed on the top of external wall panels post installation of internal and external wall panels. Anchor bolt must be fixed before the installation of kicker panels. Installation of staircase area. For staircase, the sequence follows as: wall panels of down area are installed first, followed by verification and installation of kicker panel. Installation of deck panel, beam and prop is to be followed by installation of upper part panel, STR panel, side panel, and finally step and cap panels. Installation of deck panels. In the process of installation of slab corner, following sequence is followed. At first, ICI is installed, followed by IC and remaining ICI panels. Wall alignment bracket and square pipe is fixed to maintain horizontal alignment. Then, main beam is assembled by fixing mid-soldier, end soldier and prop head together. Installation of deck starts from corner standard panel of the room, followed by installation of main beam. Installation of deck panel is done in the same manner as shown here. After the installation work is completed, the site in charge checks all the panels and the accessories before the pouring of concrete. Post-checking of the panels, concrete is poured at first on the walls, then on beam and at last on slab. De-shuttering of wall panels. After 12 hours of pouring, dismantling of vertical formwork shall start, provided that concrete has attained the strength of 2 Newton per mm square. Wall panels are easily removed using MFS panel puller. On removal, cleaning of contact surface and edge rails of panels must be ensured, and panels should be left alongside of the walls at the same location as shown. During dismantling, one should be careful not to disturb the props. Wall ties and sleeves must be removed from the walls within 24 hours. After dismantling the wall panels, the process starts for deck. De-shuttering of deck panels. Dismantling of deck begins once concrete has attained the strength of 10 Newton per mm square, which is normally after 36 hours of pouring, depending on the grade of concrete. One should be precautious that the panels do not free fall on the floor or on worker. Also, none of the prop should be touched, ensuring that it remains in its place. Deck corner is de-shuttered at the end. Installation of external working brackets is done by using tie rod and wing nut at a distance not more than 1.2 meters center to center. Platform and safety rails are fixed after fixing of bracket. For upper floors, the same method is applied for the installation. Props are at 2 levels to support the slab. External working platform is installed at 2 levels. Same sequence as shown for shuttering and de-shuttering of the MFS aluminium formwork system is to be repeated until the completion of all the floors of the structure. MFS aluminium formwork system, your formwork associate, believes in making time for everyone by staying ahead of time. At MFS Aluminium Formwork System, Private Limited, Faridabad, we believe in building tomorrow today, as today can change all the days that follow.